Hi everybody, my name is Jason. I'm with Fire and Touch Construction. We're here at Hello Gorgeous in Queen Creek, and something that's a little unique about this is we're on a Maricopa County island. So even though we are in Queen Creek, we do get Queen Creek water, but we don't have natural gas like you get in most other builds. We have a liquid propane tank here that's 1,000 gallons that we're going to have to run off of, and with that we're going to have to make sure that our appliances are fitted for propane and not natural gas. We also have a septic system instead of being on sewer, so that's a little bit different to deal with. And then when you're dealing with the county, you're not dealing with the city inspector, you're dealing with the county inspector, so a little bit different process in getting power. And they require us to cover any exposed wires, and that's inside and out, and here we are. So another thing with building in a county island is we don't have natural gas. We're not on sewer system. So we have a liquid propane tank here, and we have septic. And they're located in this position because we have roughly 1.74 acres here, but the whole back is going to be completely closed off. It's going to be for playing, entertaining. The street comes right up to this area. They can refill propane, service septic, make it easy, not have to get in anybody's way. So another thing that we have to address when building in a county island is to get a permit for temporary power. We have to cover anything that would have an exposed wire. So the sconces are covered. We can go inside and take a look at a couple of outlets that need to be done. But we've covered exterior outlets. All the interior outlets need to be covered. And just for safety reasons, if the house gets hot, somebody sticks their fingers in there, they don't get shocked. So we're just protecting ourselves from ourselves. It's just inspectors, and they all I feel like when you're dealing with the county, they're running on their own set of rules, so to say, but they're always looking for a code. Where's the code? Show me the code. Well, if a code doesn't exist, you can't show them a code. So it's a challenge, but you just have to make sure you're doing everything the way they want it done. So another thing that we needed to do to get our permit to get temporary power is make sure every exposed wire has a wire nut or a box has a cover on it. So the reason why we go through all the work that we do to get the inside buttoned up is to get this meter set. And we can't get this without this green tag. So where we're at here in the kitchen, to move forward, this hood liner needed to get installed. And the way that this is gonna come down, it's gonna be wrapped in 5/8 drywall. So when it comes down, we want it to return into the hood liner. So it's gonna be perfectly flush all around. We'll leave a little bit of a gap right here so we can put a nice caulk in it. The backsplash will go up behind here. This filled will all be tiled. Once we get the countertop set, we can get the uppers in. Crown will go all in. We'll have this all buttoned up. So again, when building on a county island, just little things that you want to think of. Make sure that your appliances are set for propane, not natural gas. But in a couple of weeks, we should be moving along and be in a much better place, and look forward to seeing you then. Thanks, guys.